How to migrate from TaxPro Max portal to Rev360 as an existing TaxPro Max user. If you are a new person on Rev360 and you are yet to log in your details into Rev360 for you to gain access to your dashboard on Rev360, the same dashboard you were using on TaxPro Max is what you'll be gaining access to once you migrate yourself. So let's go straight into it. In this video on CAC business name registration Rev247, I'll be showing us the practical step to do that. So let's go straight into it. All you need to do is to come to your Chrome browser and input taxpayer self service portal. You can see it here, taxpayer self-service portal. Click on it like this, give it time to load up. It will open this interface for you. You click on this again and then boom, it will take you down to this place. Now here you can see it has three options. The first option says first time here, log in with TaxPro Max credentials. The second option says forgotten TaxPro Max credentials, create Rev360 credentials. Then the third one says already have Rev360 credentials, login. These are three different ways that you can use to access your Rev360. So we will be going for the first option, but we won't be using this particular interface. What you need to do now is for you to click on this cancel button if you want to log in with your TaxPro Max credentials. Just click on this cancel, because if you do it from here, it will be showing you invalid something. So we won't be using this place. You just need to cancel this, then it will take you to this main portal where you need to log in. So all you need to do is to continue with NRS SSO. Click on that, then it will open up the login portal for you, where you need to input login details of this account on TaxPro Max. Here you will be inputting the email you always use to log into TaxPro Max and the password that you always use on TaxPro Max. Input your email and password, then you click on sign in. It will load up for you, processing authentication. You can see, and voila, you are successfully use your TaxPro Max credentials to log in into your Rev360 portal. So as it is now, you've migrated from TaxPro Max straight to Rev360. So now let's migrate another account from TaxPro Max to Rev360. So you come to this spot and input the email address. You input the email address and your password, then you click on sign in. Give it time to process and authenticate it. You can see, voila, we have logged in another account on Rev360 using the login details of our TaxPro Max portal. In our next video, I will take us through how to navigate the new tax portal known as Rev360. So stay tuned and turn on your notification bell so that when I drop that video, you will be notified to gain access to it. If this video has been helpful, if you've learned something from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share to family and friends or your clients who already have TaxPro Max account and are yet to gain access to their portal on Rev360 for them also to be able to migrate their account. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.